Hello dear students, welcome back to EDUHUNT online teaching for mathematics. At this section today we are going to discuss about 8th class mathematics simple interest concept. So in my previous class already explained 1 to 10 questions. Let's go to question number 11. What sum of money will amount to 520 rupees in 5 years and to 568 rupees in 7 years at simple interest? Also find the rate of interest. Am I clear? So here two type of amounts given, 5 years amount and as well as 7 years amount. So you don't know principal and rate, so that will be asking at final. So clearly we need to notice that a certain sum of money, nothing but principal you don't know. Am I clear? So this is amounts in 5 years. This will amount to 520 rupees in 5 years. So this is amounts. Am I clear? So 5 years. This is the time, and also given amount 568 rupees in 7 years. But question what I am asking, principal and rate of interest, these two are unknown values, you don't know these two values. Finally we have to find P and R. So firstly, what is the difference between the amounts? That is called interest. So what is the difference between the amounts? 48 rupees in time period 2 years. So difference between the amounts is called interest. So interest how much getting? 48 rupees in 2 years. Therefore 1 year interest. So 1 year interest equal to 48 by 2, nothing but 24 rupees. 24 rupees. Am I clear? But total year how many years given? 5 years. So 5 years, first one you have to find 5 years interest, nothing but 120 rupees. How will get 5 years interest? 1 year interest 48 by 2. 2 years interest already got 48, 1 year interest 24, 5 years interest 120. But question what I am asking, principal. First one principal asking. So principal nothing but what? Clearly amount minus interest, simple interest is called principal. So 5 years interest you know that 120 rupees. So 5 years amount. So 5 years interest should be subtract from 5 years amount. You will get principal how much? 400 rupees. So this is the first one answer, 400. So question what I am asking, find the rate of interest. So R also, what is R formula? 100I by PT. So clearly 100 into I value how much taken? 1 year interest taken. So that means, so in T place 1 year taken, okay na? So T replaced by 1 year, principal you know that 400 into 1. So if you taken 5 years interest, time also taken 5 years. Am I clear? 20 cancel, 20 4 1 ja 4 6 ja 24. So rate of interest 6%. So 406% is required answer. Option A is right answer. Very important question for competitive exams, this type of model. Am I clear? Let's go to question number 12. A certain sum of money amounts to 756 rupees in 2 years and to 873 rupees in 3.5 years at the certain rate of simple interest. The rate of interest per annum is. So here also given two type of amounts, 2 years amount and 3.5 years amount. But before that, here a certain sum of money and rate of interest you don't know. So here two unknown values, P and R are unknown values. You don't know these two values, but you know that amounts, a certain sum of money 576 rupees in how many years? 2 years. This is the time. And same principal, it will become 873 rupees in how many years? 3.5 years. So amounts difference is called interest. Am I clear? So what is the time difference? 1.5 year. What is the amount difference? So 7 1. So 873 minus 576. What is the difference? 7 1 again 1 117. Am I clear? So 117 is the difference between the amounts. So here time difference 1.5 year. So 1.5 year interest. So amounts difference is called interest, simple interest. If interest is increased, amount also increase. So in 1.5 years, how much interest added? 117. So 1.5 year interest 117. Therefore 1.5 nothing but 3 by 2. It can be written 3 by 2 years. Am I clear? So clearly, so 3 by 2 years. So 3 by 2 years interest how much getting? 112. Therefore, according to cross multiplication, so 3 years interest how much? First one you have to find 1 year interest. Am I clear? So firstly, what I am getting here? So interest 117 rupees in 1.5 nothing but 3 by 2 years. 3 by 2, 2 years. Therefore 1 year interest equal to 1 year interest means just cross multiplication, 117 into 2 by 3. So this is 1 year interest. So 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27. So 1 year interest how much getting? 78 rupees. This is 1 year interest. Am I clear? So 1 year interest. The amount difference, difference between the amount is called interest. Am I clear? So but here how many years given? 2 years. 1 year interest 78. Am I clear? Therefore 2 years interest equals to 78 into 2, nothing but what? 156 rupees. This is a 2 year interest. First one you have to find principal. Principal equal to formula. Principal equals to formula, amount minus interest. So here how many years interest getting? 126, 156, 2 years interest. So 2 years amount, you know that 756. So 756 minus 156, 600 is the principal. But question what I am asking, rate of interest, nothing but 100I by PT is the formula. Am I clear? So 100 into I value how much taken? 1 year interest taken. So 1 year interest 78, time also replaced by 1 year. So you know that principal 600. 2020 cancel, 78 by 6 nothing but 13%. 6 1s are 6, 13s are. So 13% is the required answer. Am I clear? So 13%, option D is right answer. Let's go to question number 13. A sum of 10,000 rupees is lent partly at 8% and the remaining at 10% per annum. If the yearly interest on the average is 9.2%, the two parts are. So it can be solved two type of methods. So first one we should focus on the allegation method. So what is the main allegation concept? So total principal how much given? 10,000 rupees given. So 10,000 can be divided into two parts, not an equal parts. So first part lent at 8% per annum, second part lent at 10% per annum. Am I clear? So first part lent at 8% per annum and second part lent at 10% per annum. The yearly interest average is 9.2. So that is the mean value. So finally, so how much getting average interest? First part and second part average interest equal to 9.2. This is the mean value according to allegation. So in the among three, which one is dearer? 10% is the dearer. So right side is a dearer. D minus M I apply first in that cross. 10 minus 9 minus 2, nothing but 0.8. So what is the another side? So 9 mean minus cheaper. So nothing but 1.2. So what is the ratio? 2:3. So 10,000 total can be converted into 2:3. But for question what I am asking, two parts. What is the first part? So first part nothing but 2 by total 5 into 10,000. So first part how much? 5 2s are 2,000 into 2, 4,000. First part to 4,000. Second part is remaining 6,000. How will you get 6,000? Second part nothing but 3 by 5. Total taken always in denominator into 10,000. Am I clear? So this is a 6,000. 4,000 and 6,000 is the required answer. Option A is right answer. So according to allegation, so in the allegation cheaper and dearer and mean. So mean is a average value of cheaper and dearer. So what is the main rule? Cheapest values taken, but here left side, dearer value taken right side. The mean nothing but average value is going to be mean. So which condition as follows? Mean value always more than cheaper and less than dearer. This is very important condition. Mean value always more than cheaper and less than dearer. According to allegations, so this cross should be applied D minus M. So because among three, D is a, so among between two, which one is a higher value? Dearer is a higher value. D minus M, M applied towards left side. So compared with these two variables, M is a more than C, just like, so that's why I am taking M minus C. So left side 10 minus 9.2, right side 9.2 minus 8. 0.8 nothing but 8 by 10, 1.2 nothing but 12 by 10, 10 cancel, 4 2s are 4 3s are. But it can be converted into parts. First part, second, two parts. What I am asking at final, two parts. How much lent at 8%? 4,000. How much lent at 10%? 6,000. Option A is right answer. Am I clear? So but this is a easy method. So according to traditional method, so how we are going to solve it? Total principals how much given? So this is a traditional method. Am I clear? So normal school method. So total principal how much given? 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees can be divided into two parts. First part lent at, you don't know, 8% per annum. Second part lent at 10% per annum. Am I clear? So what I am taken first part, let us consider first part x rupees. Second part is 10,000 minus x. Remaining is x. So first part lent at 8% 1 year. 8 into 1 by 100. Because PTR by 100. Second part 10 into 1 by 100. So PTR by 100. What I am taken? PTR by 100. Am I clear? So first part 8% per annum, second part 10% per annum. But yearly interest average is 9.2% per annum. So that means how much getting the final interest? So total interest. So what I am taken here? I equal to formula PTR by 100. Am I clear? This is the first part. It is the second part. Second part. Am I clear? So clearly PTR by 100. So first part principal X. Second part principal 10,000 minus X, remaining money. So first part lent at 8% 1 year, second part lent at 10% 1 year. So total interest how much getting? 9.2. So total interest will become 9.2. Nothing but so total interest meaning total amount 10,000 into 9.2 into 1 by 100. PTR by 100 or 1 into 9.2 into 100. Okay, whole by 100. Am I clear? So firstly, what is LCM of these two numbers? 100 a common number, so 8 into x, 8x, this is 10 into 1000, 1 lakh minus 10x equal to, so this is 9.2, nothing but 92000 by 100 cancel, so it can be written 10,000, 1 lakh minus 2x, 1 lakh minus 2x equal to 92,000, therefore 2x equals to 8,000, 1 lakh minus 92,000, how much difference? 8,000, therefore x equals to therefore x equals to 8,000 by 2, nothing but 4,000. That is the first part. First part is 4,000, second part is remaining 6,000. So first part nothing but this is the first part, so rest of the money is called second part. So this is a school method, but lengthy process. First option is required answer. Am I clear? Have a look at question number 14. A man lent 60,000 rupees partly at 5% and rest at 4% simple interest. If the total annual interest is 2560, the money lent at 4% per annum is. So clearly we need to understand according to logical method, total principal how much given? 60,000 given. So out of 60,000, what I am given? Partly nothing but sum of the money in 6,000. Partly is first one 5% simple interest, second one 4% simple interest. So second one is rest of the money. Rest of the money gives at 4%. First one partly nothing but sum of the money. You don't know exact part. So sum of the money give at 5% per annum. Rest of the money given to 4% simple interest. So firstly, what I am taken here? 60,000 rupees. Total 60,000 rupees. Lent at 5% per annum 1 year, whole by 100, PTR by 100, nothing but 3,000 rupees. So right side also what I am taking, total 60,000 rupees lent at 4% per annum for 1 year. So how much getting interest? 2,400. But finally middle part what I am given, middle value 2560 given, but total interest how much received? 2560, that is the mean value. According to allegation, which one taken first? D minus M, nothing but so first two values, which one is dearer? Nothing but highest value 3,000, 3,000 minus mean value, nothing but 440. So according to reverse order, 440 clear. So M minus C apply towards the left side, 2,560 minus 2,400, 160. Am I clear? 0 0 cancel, 4 4s, 4 11s. What I am getting? Ratio 4:11. So but question what I am asking, how much money lent at 4% per annum, nothing but right side value. So 11 by total taken in denominator 15 into 60,000 rupees. So 15 1s are 15 4s. Am I clear? What is the answer? 44,000. Okay, 44,000. Option B is right answer. But question what I am asking, principal lent at 4% per annum. Principal lent at 4% per annum means what? So clearly we need to understand right side value. So for what I am getting 4:11, like nothing but 11 parts value asking out of 15, 4 plus 11, 15 parts. Total principal how much getting? 60,000. Then answer 44,000 rupees. Am I clear? Actually this is allegation method. According to traditional method, how we are going to do this? So actually total 60,000 rupees lent at two parts, partly by 4% first part, and second part 5% per annum simple interest. But question what I am asking at final, so first okay, first 5% given according to order, first 5%, next 4%, 5% next 4%. But question what I am asking, how much money lent at 4% per annum out of 60,000. So clearly we need to understand. So 4% money you don't know, it will be considered X principal. So what is the remaining? 60,000 minus X is lent at 5% per annum. Am I clear? So in that first part, 60,000 minus X is the principal. In the second part, in the second part 4% per annum is the rate of interest. X is the principal. But what I am asking at final, how much money lent at 4% per annum? Nothing but what I am taking X rupees. 4% money out of 60,000, X money lent at 4%. So remaining money lent at 5%. So finally, what is the formula? Equal to PTR by 100. PTR by 100. Clearly, in the first part, 60,000 minus X is the principal time 1 year, rate of interest 5%, whole by 100. In the second part, X is the principal, 1 is the time, so 4% is the rate of interest, total 100. So total receive how much? First part and second part total interest all together how much received? Already given. First part interest and second part interest total will become 2,560. 2,560. Am I clear? So first one we have to focus. So LCM direct, what I am taking direct LCM. What is the direct LCM? Or cancellation. 4 1s are 420 5s are. Again 5 1s are 520s are. So 20 and 25 LCM 100. Am I clear? 100. So 25 is 100, 5 into 60,000. 3 lakhs. Am I clear? Minus. So first what you are getting? 25 is a 5 into 6 lakhs in minus 5x. This is 25 4 is 100, 4 into 1x, 4x equal to 2560. So clearly 3 lakhs minus x equal to cross multiplication 256,000. 25 lakhs, okay, 000, 2,56,000. Therefore x equal to, what is the difference? Remaining is difference. What is the difference? 44,000. Because 2,56,000 go to left side, it will become a minus, minus x go to right side, it will become a plus. So x nothing but how much money lent at 4% per annum, x nothing but 44,000. This is a school method, option B is right answer. Am I clear? Have a look at question number 15. 6,000 rupees becomes 7,200 rupees in 4 years at a certain rate of simple interest. If the rate becomes 1.5 times of itself, the amount of the same principal in 5 years will be. So in that question what I am given, principal how much given? 6,000. 6,000 rupees will become 7,200 rupees. This is the amount. In how many years? 4 years. Within the span of 4 years. But how much getting interest? First one you have to find interest. So amount minus principal is called interest. How much? 1,200 rupees in how many years? 4 years interest. This is a 4 years interest. First one you have to find 1 year interest. So this is a 4 years interest. Am I clear? 4 years interest. Simple interest. So clearly we need to observe this is 4 years interest. So clearly therefore 1 year interest how much? 1 year interest equal to 300 rupees. So first one you have to find rate of interest. Rate equal to formula 100I by PT. That means 100 into I value. 300 for 1 year, nothing but T always T. Actually I value what I am taking 300 1 year, nothing but T also taken 1 year. Rate of principal 6,000. 30 cancel. Am I clear? 3 1s are 3 2s are 2 5s are. Rate of interest what I am getting? 5% per annum. But question what I am asking? So clearly we need to understand rate already got 5% per annum. If rate becomes 1.5 times, nothing but what is the new rate? New rate of interest equal to 1.5 times of rate, nothing but 5 into 1.5, 7.5. This is a new rate. Am I clear? So the amount of the same principal in 5 years will be. So within the 5 years, as per the new rate, how much amount will be getting. So clearly we need to understand. Here again apply PTR by 100. So same principal, nothing but initial how much given? 6,000. Time 5 years span, okay na, into our rate of interest. What is the new rate? 7.5 by 100. So 20 cancel. 60 into 5, 300. 300 into 7.5. So 300 into 7.5. nothing but 7.5 can be written 75 by 10, 0 0 cancel. How much getting? 2250. But question what I am asking? Amount nothing but principal plus interest. Principal 6000, interest 2250, total will become 8250 is the amount. Option B is right answer. Am I clear?